Hello students, welcome to the Science with Gitanjali. Today we will learn a very interesting topic from class 6th science, our food. We see this in our daily life. Let's understand it with simple examples. Basically, in this chapter, we have to learn about what is a food and from where we get this food. So, in introduction, food is essential for growth, energy, and health. We get the food from both plants and animals. As we know, food is essential for each and every body. Why? Because whatever we are eating, that impacting on our health, our growth, and our energy also. So our healthy nutrition is also important. Then next topics, what we have to learn in this, from where this food we are getting it. So main sources of the food is plants and animals. In healthy diet nutrition, we have some fruits, grains, vegetables, and proteins. These all the things we will get it from the plants. And simultaneously, we have to eat meat, dairy products, eggs, and these all things we will get it from the animals. So this combined nutritious food is every day we required in a specific quantity. As I told you before, source of food, plants and animals. So from plants we will get it the vegetable, fruits, grains and seeds. And from the animals, milk, meat, eggs and honey. So these are the basic things which you have to keep in mind for your exam point of view. So there will be the questions, what are the source of food? That time you should have to keep in mind plant is the source of food and animal is the source of food. So, as I told you about the plant is a source of the vitamins and nutrition. So, like how now I'm showing you the plant structure. So, everyone knows about that, but I want to explain in detail about it. So, just look towards the plant. First, here is the leaf. So, as you know, we will eat the coriander, spinach. These are the green color leaves. In that, so many vitamins are there that help us in our growth. Now, next one is look here, roots are there. Roots like a carrot, radish, which have the fibers. These fibers help you in your digestion. Like here, fruit is there. It looks like a tomatoes, but every fruit, whatever coming from the plant, each and every fruits having some proteins and vitamins, which again it will help in your growth and your metabolism. Next stem, as you know, stem also a rich vitamins, having a rich vitamins. So stem also we are able to consider as a rich food atom in our diet. Now in this slide, I want to tell you about the components of the food. Like we saw in the leaves, proteins are there. So like that, which carbo component it what is the important of that particular component for your body? So carbohydrates for the energy, then protein is for growth and repair, fats to store the energy, then vitamins for body function, minerals for the strong bones and blood, and water for the digestion and the transport. So, as I told you about the carbohydrates, is the energy rich food. So, from where we will get the carbohydrates? From the rice. So, that is the energetic food item, food components. We will get it from the rice, like proteins, growth, and repair. So, like I told you about the grains, so all the grains have the rich protein, so it will help you for your body and it will help you for the repair also. So fat, so all the oily food atom like ghee, the oil, it's contain of fat, so it will store the energy. Then vitamins, body functions. Vitamins, what are the vitamins are there? Vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin B, all this with each having each and every functions of your body, what you're seeing, what you're walking, you're talking, all the functions need a vitamins. So that all the vitamins we will get from the green vegetables and all the fruit item, minerals, strong bones and blood. So minerals is a highly required for our body to get a strong bones and strength also. So if you will eat minerals in a large quantity, your bones will be a strong, and blood, you will say that the blood is low sometimes. So the doctor will tell to you about the minerals. You have the list of minerals, so you should have to eat the minerals food. Then water help us for the digestion and transport. Like as I told you about, the water is very essential component for your body. Whatever you are eating, in that little bit amount of water is present, but for the digestion more water is required. Like if I will give the example of the sponge and one pipe you are taking, okay, dry sponge you are trying to insert from that pipe, it will get the difficult to go from that pipe. But if I will make that sponge keep wet, I insert in that the water and I get it wet. Now I'm trying to insert from that pipe, it will go easily. So like that same functioning will happen in our body also. Whatever the food you are eating, when you will drink the water, that food digests easily and it absorbs all the vitamins and minerals whatever the present in that food properly. Next, we have to learn about the balanced diet. Balanced diet contains all the nutrition in correct amount, helps growth, strength and immunity. Balanced diet is not just to take so many meals and eat a lot of amount. No, each and every proteins, minerals we require in an adequate quantity. Adequate means small quantity. So from that we have to able to get all the vitamins by observed by our body. So each and everything we should have to eat in a required manner. If you're eating the balanced diet, you need to prepare your meal according to your requirement. So then only it will possible to help that vitamins for your growth, strength and immunity. Okay, now I will give you one example about the balanced diet plate. So, what are the contents which should have to eat in each and every time in an adequate amount? So, like how I told, a good balanced meal contain one portion rice or roti. It gives us the carbohydrate. One portion dal, egg or chicken. It gives you protein. Like vegetables, it gives you vitamins and minerals. Then curd or milk, it will give you calcium. Then fruits gives you vitamins, and plenty of water, it helps you for the digestion. So this is a complete plate which we have to try to eat every day at a time. So not in a specific way, like if you are eating one portion of dal, you know required of egg and chicken, means either dal, either egg or either chicken. Understood about this? Now here we are going to learn about the deficiency diseases. A deficiency diseases, what it is. So is a disease that happen when the body does not get enough nutritions. Whatever the nutritions we required, if we will not get that in a sufficient manner, so it will get the diseases. So for a longer time. So when any nutrition is missing in the diet, the body becomes weak and shows the symptoms. It will cause the deficiency. So eating unbalanced diets, why these diseases are coming? Because of eating unbalanced diet, not eating enough fruits and vegetables, eating same type of food daily, then poor intake of the protein, vitamins or minerals. Due to these all things, we will get the diseases. So If here so we have a little bit vitamins or minerals, so according to that deficiency which disease able to come. So if you have the vitamin A deficiency, then you will get the night blindness. If you have the vitamin C deficiency, you will get the scurvy. Then if you have the iron deficiency, it will give the anemia. And if you have the protein deficiency, it will the kwashiorkor. So basically, in this chapter, we learn about the food source, as I told you about the plants and animals. Next topic, we learn about the nutrition support body functioning. Then we learned about the balanced diet and what are its essentials. Then deficiency leads to diseases. So these are four, which are very very important topics as a government syllabus. They will ask on these four topics. Basically, the questions will come. So what are the four sources of food? Then balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Then deficiency. What is the deficiency? Diseases. Like these questions. Basically, they will ask in an examination point of view. Hello. So now at last, every time in the government exam, they will ask about the favorite dish and how to prepare it. So, as I know, we all eat the rice every day, and you saw your mother is cooking rice. But exactly what process they used to do, that we will not get to know and we will not try even. So, now today I'm going to teach you how to cook rice. And if your mother is there, you have to help them to cook the rice. So, how to cook it first? First, you have to wash the rice properly because there is a lot of bacteria and some chemicals will be there to keep them safe for a longer time. So first we have to wash 2 to 3 times at least to clean that bacteria. After that, you have to add some clean water, and then you have to add some salt in it. Then add some pinch of you are able to say oil or ghee. After that, you keep that container on the gas for 10 minutes. And after 10 and but you need to cover that lid properly so it will cook properly. So after 10 minutes you have to off the gas and your rice is ready. So lot of times in government examinations, this type of questions definitely come for 8 marks. So you should have to prepare like that. Any recipe, whichever you like egg, boiled egg, omelette, or you are able to write about the Maggie, any favorite dish yours, and you have to draw some diagrammatic representation also. So you will get the out of marks. Thank you so much. Then, if you want more such kind of science videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching Science with Gitanjali. See you in next class. Bye bye.